Hello and welcome to Tutoring Hour. Have you been looking for a simple tool to add numbers? Then the number line is your best bet. In this video, we'll show you how to add numbers on a number line. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. What is 4 plus 3? Here is our number line. And we have Mr. Lollyhops waiting for us on the number line. He starts from 4 and jumps 3 steps forward. 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Lollyhops lands on 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Woohoo! We've got the right answer. Pretty simple stuff, right? Let's jump to our next problem. 2 plus 8. We have Mr. Boomer standing on the number line and ready to hop on. Mr. Boomer starts at 2 and hops 8 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. He lands on 10. That is the sum of 2 plus 8. And our answer too. But what if Mr. Boomer starts at 8? Then he will have to jump just 2 steps forward, 1 and 2. He has landed on 10 again. Now this was pretty quick. Did you notice that 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 and 8 plus 2 is also equal to 10? What do you learn from this? No matter in which order the numbers are added, the sum remains the same. Keep this info locked in your memory. That brings us to our last problem, 5 plus 7. Here is our number line. We'll start from 5. How many hops should we draw now? 7 hops, right? So we'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We've landed on 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. That was pretty straightforward. Now it's your turn. If you want to learn in spades and practice in plenty, then tutoringhour.com is the place to be. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends if you found it helpful. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, do that right now. Thanks for watching Tutoring Hour.